About this item: video game safety intelligence made from durable material for long time use, and built-in protector chip, overcharged protection. When it is fully charged, it will automatically disconnect the power supply to protect your equipment from injury. You can rest assured to sleep. Video game perfect design, charge, small size and lightweight accessory for easy travel and storage. Only compatible with for Nintendo Wii-U Gamepad. Ideal quality replacement or backup power AC adapter for your Wii-U Gamepad. Video game simple and safe usage. Durable power adapter and USB charge cable allows you to have maximum portability and game time. Seamless plug and play charging. Extended life guarantee. Video game power specifications: input 100-240V 50/60 Hz, output 4.75 V/1.6A, cable length 3.6 feet. Material: metal/plus plastic. Power charger, great gift for kids, children, and those who have Nintendo Wii-U Gamepad. Video game buy it risk-free, comes with 24 months quality warranty and 30 days money back. We will do everything we can to ensure you are completely satisfied with your purchase. Refunds, exchanges and all. You are guaranteed to be happy. If you meet any issues, please let us know. We are always available to help you. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: video game safety intelligence made from